In Chapter 5, I learned about how to work with US map projection and also world map projection. Chapter 5 also teach me how to add data and layer and also open topographic layer and base map imagery with labels. For Chapter 6, Geometric Transformation, I learned about how to add a base map, georeferencing and zoom to the layer tool of road, and also learn how to add the link intersection on the road layer. For this Chapter 6 Geoprocessing, I learned more about how to use spatial queries to extract features and also how to click features and merge features. For Chapter 7, which is digitizing, I learned more about how to digitize polygon, line and also point features. Other than that, I learned how to add attribute data for vector features and also learn more advanced editing tools in this chapter. For lab exercise 02, I will choose tutorial 5.6 for my selected clip. Now, we will need a blank map for this tutorial. Now, we click Add Data, look into the Chicago.gdb and then click this and add this layer. Now, we will have to symbolize this layer into the fill color of. We will choose Holo for the fill and outline width is 1.15 and the fill color of the outline color is any yellow color, and then we click OK. Alright, now we will click File and then we go to Add Data and add Base Map. We click Imagery with Labels and click Add. Now we will have to wait for a moment for this software to render and add all the layers that we need. Now we right click this layer and then zoom to layer, and I will manually zoom into the lake near the Chicago to see detailing about this area. That's all for this tutorial 5C. Thank you.